We will continue this video from the last part. Last video we have learned what are the rules to draw ray diagram. Today we will apply those rules to draw ray diagram. So this is the first. So before drawing all the ray diagram, I will show you the main positions where the object can be placed. In the case of concave mirror, there are 6 positions where we can place the object. So there will be 6 ray diagrams for concave mirror. So just see, no need to write this one. You can draw it in the rough. Suppose this is the concave mirror. This is pole, silver outside, radius, center of curvature, and beyond center of curvature. We will place the object. One object is placed very far. It is so far, we don't know. It's like stars. Okay. So that place is called infinity. First position is at infinity. Next, if we bring it from infinity to a place that can be considered, but that place is beyond C, then this is one position, beyond C. Second position, third position is we can place the object at exactly at the C, that is the center of curvature. This is the third position. Fourth position is that we can place the object between C and R. Fourth position. Fifth position is that we can place the object exactly at the, sorry, this is not R, this is F, at the focus. Next position is that we can place the object between focus and pole. This is the sixth position. Seventh position, somebody may imagine that we can place the object at the pole. It's not possible because you are actually entering the glass, which is not possible. So this point is, it's a point, right? We cannot place an object there. I am just joking that you cannot enter the glass like that, it will break. But so these are the 6 positions where you can place the object. First position is infinity. Let us draw the ray diagram applying the rules. From infinity, rays will come parallel. It will not come in some angle, right? So this is the pole, this is focus, center of curvature. Rays are coming from infinity, right? And they are obviously parallel. Parallel rays after reflection passes to the focus. Parallel rays after reflection passes to the focus. So, in ray diagram, showing the direction is very important. Show the direction like this. Fine. So, what is the nature of this image? The nature of the image, I will wrap this. I have no space, it's a very small board, I'm teaching. The nature I will write here. What is the size of the image? It's a point size image. Number 1, point size image. Second, the rays are actually intersecting each other to form this image, isn't it? In case of plane mirror, in the previous video we have seen that we have to extend the rays backward so that they intersect, but in this case they are actually intersecting with each other, right? So it's a real image. Real image means the rays are actually intersecting with each other, and this type of image can be formed in a screen. Virtual images cannot be formed in a screen. It's a real image. Second point is real image. And real images are generally inverted. So I will write real and inverted. Inverted means if the object was like this, AB, the image will be like this. A dash B dash. एकदम उल्टा हो जाबो. एनेका थेकेले एनेका हो जाबो. That is called a real image will generally inverted thake. So what are the nature? Point size, real image and inverted. Next position is beyond C. Next is when the object is placed beyond C. C pasot thole kenuka hobo dekhat hetu saw. This is the concave mirror. Imaginary line passes through the pole, that is called principal axis. Center of the spherical mirror, of which the mirror is a part, that is the center of curvature. Midpoint of C and P is called focus. Focus is a point where the reflected ray passes. After reflection, the rays must come parallel to the principal axis before that. So the object is placed here beyond C. Now, if let us apply the rules that we have learned to draw ray diagram. Parallel to the principal axis, after reflection passes through the focus. Passes through the focus, after reflection passes parallel to the principal axis. These are the direction. They are intersecting here, the image will form here. If the image is A, B, this is A dash and B dash. So this is the ray diagram. Nature, what will be the nature? First, real and inverted. Real and inverted. Number 2, this is the size of the object and this is the size of the image. It is a bit smaller. So, smaller size. This is the ray diagram for concave mirror where the object is placed beyond C. Next we will see when the object is placed at C. This you have to draw very carefully. This is the concave when the object is placed at, this is third point, at center of curvature. This is the concave mirror. Imaginary line, pole, focus, center of curvature. Then the object is placed at C. Parallel, after reflection passes through the focus. Focus, after reflection passes parallel to the principal axis. And this time we have seen that the image is formed exactly at the center of curvature. The image will form at the center of curvature. If this is A, B, this is A dash, B dash. Draw it very carefully. I have not taken scale, so there is a little bit of bend. I have adjusted because I know the image will form at C. This is the C. So how is the nature of the image? Nature. Can you go over nature? Real and inverted, obviously. The rays are actually intersecting with each other to form the image. So real and inverted. Next, same size. The size of the object is equal to the size of the image. So size are same. Next, when the object is placed, this is the fourth point. Next, fourth point. When the object is placed between C, means center of curvature, and F, focus. When the object is placed between center of curvature and focus, this is the concave mirror, pole, focus, C, and the object is placed here at focus. Ray passing parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will pass to the focus. Show the arrows, show the diagram, show the direction of the ray, where it is traveling. F, after reflection, it passes, ray passes through the focus. After reflection, it will pass parallel to the principal axis. Object is AB, image is A dash B dash. What is the nature? Real and inverted, obviously. The rays are actually intersecting. Nature, real and inverted. And number 2, large size. Now see, the size of the object, size of the image is bigger than the size of the image. Fourth, next is the fifth point. When the object is placed at focus. Next, we will see when the object is placed at focus. This is the concave mirror. Take it outside. Imaginary line, pole, focus, center of curvature, and the object is placed at focus. So, parallel, after reflection passes to the focus. Next, focus. We cannot pass the ray through the focus now because the object itself is placed at focus. We will use another rule because minimum 2 rays are required to form an image. So, sorry. This is coming parallel, and now this one pole, it will come parallel. They are not intersecting here because the rays are parallel, but we know that parallel lines intersect at infinity. This means these 2 rays are going to meet at infinity. The size of the image is going to be enlarged. It's very large size image will form. So nature, how is the nature? real and inverted. Obviously this side below the principal axis the image will be obviously inverted. So real and inverted and highly magnified. Highly magnified image will form. Okay. So fifth it was next between F and P. Sixth, when the object is placed between F means focus and pole. This is the concave mirror. Imaginary line passes through the pole is called center, is called principal axis. This point is focus. This is C, the center of curvature, and the image is placed between F and P. When the object is placed between focus and pole, this time parallel, it will try to pass through the focus. Pole, it will make same angle and image, but this time these lines are diverging. These lines are diverging out. One is going this way, one is going this way. They will never meet this side. So what we have to do? We have to produce this backward. It's a special case, right? And it will definitely, if it is not meeting this side, it will meet in the front side, right? That is beyond the behind the mirror. This is AB, this is A dash, B dash. Okay, this is done. So the arrows here, arrows are very important. So nature, how is the nature? This time the nature will differs from the previous cases. Nature of the image. First, nature is that they are not actually intersecting, right? So it is virtual and erect. Virtual images are generally erect, सीधा. इधर सीधा है तो पीछे भी सीधा ही होगा. तो this way, this way. Second point. It is magnified, right? It is enlarged. Object इतना सा, image इतना बड़ा हो गया. तो enlarged, ठीक है? तो ये था, ये तो चला सौटा cases to draw ray diagram. तो ये सौटा जो दी बुझी पाइसा is very good. Next video to আমি চাম যে convex mirror কামে ray diagram কেনেকে draw কৰে আৰু convex mirror কেটা case possible হয় ray diagram এটা draw কৰিম. তাৰ পিছত আমি numerical কৰিম. এনেকৈ আমি গৈ থাকিম আগবাঢ়ি লাহে লাহে না. ঠিক আছে, বস্তুখিনি ভালকৈ ৰিভাইজ কৰিবা. কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে put it in the comment section. কৈ আছো কিন্তু এনেকৈ comment section অহা নাই. Okay, WhatsApp-ত সুধি ল'বা. Personally photo মাৰি দিবা. I will reply you. ঠিক আছে, thank you all of you. জয় কৃষ্ণ.